This is the Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE, and it's a mid-range tablet that promises to strike the balance between performance, design, functionality, and price. It goes for about 10,000 Rand, and I've seen it for as low as 9,500. And this is what we get in the box. So this is the actual tablet. It was a bit of a hassle to get this wrapping paper off of it, but it has a very nice and sleek design. It also comes with the S Pen stylus, which feels like a regular pen. We get the C2C USB cable, as well as some paperwork and the ejector pin. It has a 10.9-inch display and a 16:10 aspect ratio, which makes it great for viewing in landscape orientation, but a bit awkward when you have to view it in portrait orientation. Even though it is a Samsung mid-range tablet, it has a very premium feel with the design of the body, the flat surfaces, the curved edges, as well as the all-metal frame. It low-key feels as if it is trying to mimic an iPad 10. Setting up the tablet and getting it up and running was super fast. Here I am using the facial recognition as the lock feature, and after that I was good to go. I think the S Pen has to be my favorite part of the tablet. It's super responsive and precise. It's also lightweight and feels great in the hands. It's excellent for note-taking, and it charges when it is attached magnetically to the bottom of the tablet, which is pretty cool. A quick look at the camera quality. It has an 8-megapixel rear camera and takes up to 4K video with the rear camera. The front-facing camera is a 12-megapixel wide-angle lens, which makes it great for video calls and takes a decent selfie. And that's everything you need to know about the Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 Fan Edition in under 2 minutes. Don't forget to follow 8th Avenue for more tech content.